Mountain road right-of-way regulations, using steep, narrow paths. All of the country's highways, even the less traveled mountain roads, benefit from right-of-way laws that help cars avoid collisions. You can assume that this location is subject to all common right-of-way laws, just like any other location. However, driving in the mountains can be dangerous and does call for particular caution. As a result, there are a few additional right-of-way guidelines to master that are described in this video and pertain specifically to driving on hills and mountains. Drivers facing the downhill must stop. On a narrow, steep mountain road where two opposing lanes of traffic come together, the motorist facing downhill is required to yield to the car facing uphill. In this case, you must cautiously reverse until the driver facing uphill has enough space to pass safely. This right-of-way regulation was established because drivers can typically maintain better control of their cars when reversing uphill as opposed to downhill. You can avoid confrontation and save yourself from having to reverse when driving downhill on a mountain road by stopping and giving way to approaching traffic wherever there is a single lane of traffic. Keep this in mind and watch out for any areas of the road that are getting narrower. Alerting other drivers. On winding mountain roads, right-of-way confrontations can frequently be avoided by sounding your horn or turning on your headlights to alert opposing traffic to your presence. In some jurisdictions, it's the law to honk your horn whenever you can't see at least 200 feet in front of you. Make sure to review the driving manual for your state's local traffic laws. When steep hills and tight turns make it difficult for you to see oncoming traffic, honking your horn can be a helpful safety measure. Another efficient strategy for avoiding disagreements and collisions on mountain roads is to turn on your low-beam headlights. Opposing traffic will be able to see the light around sharp turns and over hills while your headlamps are on. Driving on mountain routes requires turning on your headlights in many states, including California. In low visibility areas, it is a wise idea to keep your headlights on even when it is not legally obliged to do so.